Hi friends, here in this video I'll explain the MCQ on design of belt conveyor system. So let's start. Now here is the question given. It is said that what is the mass capacity of the flat belt conveyor if the volumetric capacity is 0.55 meter cube per hour. So it means the flat belt can transfer a volume of 0.55 meter cube per hour. And the density of the material which is being conveyed is given. So rho is equal to 1500 kg per meter cube. Now we have to find the mass capacity. So mass would be in terms of kg. So therefore I can say that density is equal to mass upon volume. So therefore mass is equal to density into volume. Now density is 1500, volume is 0.55, and we can check the units as well. Density is in terms of kg per meter cube. Next, volume is in terms of meter cube per hour. So meter cube and meter cube will get cancelled out and we'll get the mass in terms of kg per hour. And my answer is, it is 825 kg per hour. So when we compare it with the remaining options, option A was having tons per hour, it is incorrect. Similarly, C is also in terms of tons per hour, that is also incorrect. Out of B and D, both are having the unit which are correct, but the value of D is incorrect. So the correct answer is B, 825 kg per hour. So that's the answer. At the end, if you'll find my videos helpful, you can like, share, comment and subscribe our channel and share it amongst your family and friends. Thanks for watching.